Alright everyone, we last year would feed scorpions to the chicks. This year we're going to try June bugs. There's one that's in there now, you can see that little guy's got it. So let's watch. Looks like one got away. Put that one back in. This is amazing.
Pop-Tart's trying to go for two.
Don't quite know if they'll be able to break them up and actually eat all of them, but it should be fun for them to rip off the legs at least, and nothing else. Kill something. The best scorpion killer we named Demon last year, so I think the best hunter this year will get a cool name. This little guy. Which one you were thinking about naming him Pop-Tart?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, his name's gonna have to change. Her name. Oh. Battle Royale. Look at these little scaredies. Everybody's got June bug. We didn't really want them fighting each other over them, so we figured we'd just catch one for everybody.